Okay, test, test. Is the stream already starting? Let me try. No, I guess not. Let me see. But I didn't start 2 streams. Okay. Can you actually hear me? I guess not. But based on what I see on OBS, the stream already started. Oh, and the stream started. Perfect. So, yeah, again, hello and welcome to another live stream. And welcome back to Python, welcome back to Numpy, welcome to anyone who joined. Got actually 3 viewers at the start, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you're having a good time today. Yeah, because we are heading back to our little roguelike game on pygame. And yes, so let's start. If there are any questions, anything you wanna know, ask, just type it in the chat. And I'm hearing myself. I need to mute something. I hope you can see everything what I'm coding. If we want to see more, like on the left, the modules I'm using, I can move it a little bit. 1 second. Yeah, I can do it like this. Like this. Yeah, you should still be able to see anything or everything which is relevant. Yeah, so yeah, perfect. So again, any questions, type it in the chat. Any recommendations, what I could do, what I could program, what I can't program, I mean. Anything, write it down in the chat. And with that in mind, let's start. So, can you see the game? Yes, you should. Can make it a little bit larger. So this is, by the way, the game. And yeah, because what I want to create is in my first inventory with a symbol. Symbol will be a backpack, and yeah, that's the first time I kind of do something like if I click on something in the game, a new window will open. So let's head back to the next level. Still, there is a possibility that enemies spawn inside obstacles. So I thought I solved this issue. I mean, it's much more seldomly, but still there are enemies spawning inside obstacles, which is annoying. This is, by the way, which is pretty cool. I want to create enemy types that spawn only if some colors are appearing regarding the frame and the obstacles. So I want cold enemies if we got blues regarding the colors of the frame and the colors of the obstacles. Stuff like this. Yeah, here again, here's the captured enemy. And also I can do some bosses which are a little bit larger than usual. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the game. Yeah, the enemies, there are now spawning way too much enemies, but yeah, I will kind of solve this later. I want to do now is I want to create an inventory. Oh, we got the rainbow frame, which is not a bug, it's actually a feature. And yeah, so welcome to the one who joined at the moment. And who joined? I don't know. Did someone join? No. No one joined. But anyways, what was my intention? I forgot. Yeah. So I wanted to create an inventory. First of all, next to the life bar, where did I do something in green? In the main function, there should be something green. Main. Okay, let's delete. Close all tabs. Main. Oh, wrong main function, I guess. Yes, wrong main function. So here's pygame, and here's my little roguelike game. Main function, and still no one in the chat today. Yeah. Now I will search for green. Got it. Color green. So now we create if. Come on. Okay, let me see if, yeah, the microphone works. Okay, but the cables are kind of, yeah, in my way. This is bad. Okay, so what I actually was trying to do is, do I even get impressions? No. Okay. Anyways, anyways. I'm kind of sleepy yet because had to do work until about 8, but no, don't want to complain about my work, want to quote something. Yeah. Inventory. Okay, I need to paint something like this. The background of the game on the right side is gray. So let's do a gray tone. And or is it this gray? Second, which kind of gray is it? Am I stupid? Yes, I am. But yeah, welcome to the viewers who joined, by the way. I'm kind of creating a roguelike game. Now I'm heading to the hardest part because I'm trying to add an inventory. Yeah. And this is pretty difficult, but yeah, let's do it. Let's try it. And I'm kind of designing, you can't see that, but I will show soon. Kind of designing the symbol for the inventory. It should be a little bit larger than an enemy. Let's say this, yeah, let's say 30-30. Sorry, actually now it's a little bit boring because you can't see what I'm doing, but you will see really soon, in a few seconds. Oh yeah, not in a few seconds, in a few minutes. Okay, not in a few minutes, in many seconds. Let's say it's something between 1 minute and, yeah, some seconds. And I don't even know how a backpack looks like, but I can draw it like this. Man, I need to learn to draw, but my art marks in school, I always got something like a, yeah, like a F. I really got an F in art because not creativity counted, but instead what counted was if you could draw. Sorry for the sound. Say inventory button. So now I will head to downloads. Hello, Pendler Paragon. Yes, I am doing well. Oh, I'm now hearing myself. Perfect. Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you doing? I'm doing a little roguelike game, trying to add an inventory. Just created a symbol. Now let me add it. So now don't need this game anymore. But the symbol was in downloads. Okay. Inventory button. So now I can use something like draw a rectangle. Yes, I need, or do I need to draw a rectangle? Here. Yes, I will. Oh no, blitz, screen blitz. Screen blitz. Logo. Inventory image equals again pygame point image point load. By the way, to the chat, if you have any recommendations, that's really cool. Roguelike are pretty fun. I started making one using JavaScript a few months ago. Yeah, JavaScript is even more viable regarding Python. Python is not viable for create a game, but I'm not really creating a competitive game, more like a really, yeah, kind of playable concept. So I want to learn C++ soon. I already learned C, and C++ should be pretty easy if you already know C. And yeah, after attending C++, I will try to do the same in C++. What I will change is I wanna, yeah, do another object, which is the level indeed. So at the moment, as you can see, the level is not an object by itself, but soon the level will be yeah, its own object. Yes. JavaScript is also on my need to learn list, by the way. Did you attend any other programming language? Because it's called JavaScript, but it have nothing. I heard that it doesn't have much to do with Java, but yeah, maybe you can tell me. And yeah, logo. Where was I? Screen blitz. Not logo, but inventory image, and it should be located, let's say, under, where's HP there? My label, where do I place my label? Okay, let's do it here, by the way. After this one, screen blit image, inventory, and it should be under my label, let's say 120. And yeah, I need a tuple. Okay, run it. Oh, I forgot the address of the address of the image, and storage image inventory button. Yeah, these brackets are unnecessary. Here we go. Now we got a button. Pretty ugly because, yeah, like already told you. Okay, back to the chat. Yes, I know HTML, CSS, Java, Python, C, oh, PHP, and I've messed with C++ a little, so you know a lot then. More languages than I do. And also, yes, Java and JavaScript are completely different. Yeah, I heard of that. So I did attend, or I did some Java. It was my first language, but no JavaScript. Just maybe a few codes where I tried something out, but nothing relevant. And yeah, I didn't even attend HTML and CSS yet, but Python, C, yes, PHP a little, and C++ also a really, really, really little, but nothing more. And Java, yes, yeah, Java. But yeah, then you attended a lot of languages, which is cool. Okay, where was I? I was at, yeah. So now comes the hard part, because I want something to happen when we click on this image. And yeah, because of that, I need to Google it. And yeah, the game is blocking your way to the actual code. So here we go. Now you should see the code, and I should sit in another position, because the position I now have will kind of make my leg fall off, because yeah, my leg already feels like it's dead. Yeah, the position of sitting is important. Okay, so tick player, what should I do? Now I need to add something regarding the mouse. So when I click on the symbol should do something. So mouse click in pygame. How can we do this? So first of all, we have to do while true our loop, and I have to complete. Or is there something like a button in pygame? Maybe I need to watch a tutorial to that, because I didn't even attended it yet. For making things on C, I highly recommend trying a library called rouglike. It can be used for games and graphic stuff in 3D, but it's not just for C, it has binding for almost every language, so also in C++. Because yeah, I always heard that you should attend C++ if you want to attend video gaming, or yeah, game developing. Always thought you should attend C++. So, where was I? How can I solve this? I'm pretty sure it has. Oh. Yes, that's the part, because in this pygame, if I create like 500 enemies, the game even gets its limits and will get slower, which is not that good. So yeah, I totally get that you should attend C++ in gaming, but I will, when I'm finished with the basic stuff, I will try the same in C++. This is like, I want to create a rouglike which kind of develops itself by colors. For example, as you can see, before I get back, we have the obstacles and the frames always have different colors. And yes, because of that, if I, for example, have certain level of blue in the obstacles and the obstacles in the frame, I will get blue or snow related enemies like walking snowmen. If they are more like red, I can use fire themed enemies, and if they are gray, I could do like a pirate mansion, and yeah, many possibilities regarding that. Here, for example, here I could think about adding code-related enemies. And boss rooms, if we have a certain, for a certain amount, we can have boss rooms. Yeah. And I even got the rainbow color, so on rare occasions, yeah, this is perfect for freezing themed enemies. Okay, but back to the inventory, because when I click on this, I want something to happen. And this is the harder part regarding that, but not impossible. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. Okay, so coding, no, pygame. I need to research something. Pygame, clicking on sprite. Yeah. Okay. Ah, okay. So I did something like blit. Where did I do blit? Inventory image in. Should close the game so that you can see me actual coding. And yes, where's my blit? My little image here. Blit image. I could do some lines. Inventory. And before I blit, I should do something like draw rectangle. Pygame draw rectangle. Color equals, yeah, let's say brown. And rectangle is 3030, the same size of the image, of course, because the image should be put above it. And like, yeah, size is 3030. Now if we get it, yeah, it is not visible because it is, oh, it should be visible because, yeah, it is visible, but that's simply based on the fact that I'm too stupid to draw it on the proper, to place it on the proper destination, which is 1110 and 120. Now I messed even more up because this is the size. First is the destination, so first is, no, I don't want to do a screenshot, 1110 and 120. Let's try it again. Yeah, perfect. Now it is consumed by our little image. Okay, and hello to the one who joined. Yeah, I'm doing some pygame, trying to create a rouglike, and yeah, goodbye. Okay. What else? So now let's add something on click. If event type okay, I have to do it here. Copy. Where do I have my events? Event. Here is the event. Elif. Oh, let's do it here. Elif event button. Yeah. If something like if self points, if rectangle, if pygame. Rectangle, or was it like this? Rectangle point, collide point, event position, and let's do something like where's the image? Image, yeah. Again, Ho ho ho. Let's say something like player dead, player 1 point dead equals 2, so we can test it. Equals true. Okay, nothing happened. So it doesn't work like this. Mouse button up. Collide point. Or what gives us event position? Event position, what gives me event position? Okay, let me look in the chat. Nothing new, okay. Back to the code, what gives me the position? Let me think, maybe, maybe, no, not, it's not time for a break at the moment. Pygame point, rectangle, point. Mouse click. Maybe if point rectangle of 10 10 10 10, but it should be this one. Point collide point, event point position, player dead equals true, like this. Why am I not dying? I want to die in the game, of course. Okay, doesn't seem to work. And hello to the viewers who joined. I'm doing a roguelike, as you can clearly see. Trying to create an inventory, which is not that easy, but yeah, I still want to kind of do it. And I want to really do a inventory like in Diablo, where you can pull the items, or at least if you right click on the item, it is equipped, and if not, it is decrypt. Yeah, equipped, decrypt. We'll do it in a simple way. So now I try to find out how to, yeah, self point rectangle. Self point rectangle. Check for key input. Where is check for key input? Check. Maybe I have to use player point that equals true, because I am inside a function. No, nothing. Maybe. No, should I get a coffee now? No, not time for a coffee break. Maybe in 5 minutes. But I'm kind of stuck, that's why I'm... Mouse button. What do we have? Mouse button down. So... Print something. No, doesn't work like this. Okay, how can I make it work? What could I do? Probably. Maybe you have an idea, you have the answer. I don't have the answer. So let me do some self-point cursor. Self-point cursor. Okay. Cursor point. Cursor or cursor? Okay, cursor doesn't exist. Cursor. If okay. Rectangle point. Self point, no. No, 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 no. Where's the cursor? I don't have something like cursor. Rectangle point, cursor. So it's not like that. Hello again, Whiskey. How are you? How are you feeling today? Kind of stuck today, trying to do an inventory. Yeah, because of my bad drawing skills, but this bad symbol here should resemble an inventory button, and when I click on it, I want to open an inventory, but at the moment I'm trying to figure out how to add anything. Nothing special, how to add anything to the game, so anything will happen or something will happen when I click on the symbol. But at the moment nothing happens, sadly. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what could I do. Okay. Like could event type. No. Now maybe I got it. If event type equals key down. Now I have to use indentation. Collide point. So again. Yeah, it works. There. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm so happy. Even as a German, Germans don't show that much of emotions, but I'm okay today. I was coding around 3 hours and now here. How are you? Yeah, I'm pretty fine. I worked like 10 hours today, but yeah. I even skipped gym today, but I will attend gym tomorrow, and I thought today I could rather do a live stream because tomorrow I have more time because I do home office, so I can get up later and I am finished earlier because I don't have to do the long way home. Yeah. Okay, this was a really long answer regarding the question, how are you? I'm fine, that's the answer. Perfect. But I'm happy that the button now works, so yeah. But I don't want to die. I want to make a new screen, like screen. So if no, open inventory. And now I need a new function. Storage. Now let's create something called inventory. Inventory. Where I do the inventory logic because I don't want to fill the main function with too much stuff. So yeah, let's do something called inventory. And yeah. So, okay, 10 minutes until I make my first break. Getting myself a copy. Inventory. Don't need to import something, but as main, import from inventory, import star, inventory, import pygame, and let's copy this one, running display. Display. Okay, inventory, def open, inventory, what happens now? Okay, it's not defined because I need to rename it like this. Now it should be defined. Ah, here we go. Let's call it screen 2. And the inventory should like 500, and it should be a new window. And hello to the viewers who joined. Yeah, I'm trying to create a little inventory now to my pygame, because when I start this game, to get it like this, yeah, he's kind of staying in the same game. Set mode. Yeah. Which is kind of funny, but I really don't want that. So how can I do the inventory? How can I add the inventory? So, pygame, new window. Let me see. Pygame, new window. 0.23. I pretty much did the same. Greens 2.1. Point tick third 20. If I do it like this, no, he still does the same. Okay, how can I solve this? Pop up. Yeah, kind of. I want to create a pop up, but unfortunately, there's no function called pop up. Maybe I need to Google more. Okay, so I just read you can't do a second window. Pygame. So the only thing I can do is to draw something above it. Yes, that's the only thing I can do. Oh no, I didn't want to. Yeah. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's close it again. And let's do an inventory by, first of all, let's pause the game. So running, let's do something like main. Where is inventory while true? Because, of course, we can create a new window. We can just draw something on the screen and delete it afterward. While true, path. So now it should pause. Yes, it does. Perfect. So this kind of works. And yeah. Oh, you cannot see that. What did I do wrong? But you should be able. If I view my live stream, I can see everything. So yeah, again, if this is just a function I created and I put into the main function here. Simply just, it's that short. It's really just a really short function. But I hope no one would mind if I do a really short break, like 5 minutes, where I get myself a coffee. And yeah, then I will of course continue. And yeah, short coffee break, let's say 30 to 36. And yeah, I will promise I will be back soon. And hopefully you all see all viewers then again. Yeah, be back in 5 minutes. And I'm back, and everyone stayed. Which is really cool. Thank you. And yeah, so there I am back. Let me delete this. And yeah, hopefully it is my last coffee today, because I still can wake up much longer, but I need to go to bed around. Sometime I will need to go to bed, but not now. Thank you, apparently. Thank you. Okay, so I was at creating the inventory. So, running the main function, stopping the game. Okay. So, where was the winning event? Yeah. Let's say in mode on. Can I do something like this? Inventory, while true, wake, event, event, okay, like this. For event and pygame point event. Break. Okay, so yeah. Okay, it doesn't stop now. What I try to implement is that the game stops when clicking and yeah, returns after the second click, but it simply doesn't stop anymore. No, doesn't work that way, fortunately. And hello to every viewer who joined, trying to create a little roguelike. At the moment I try to create an inventory. Yeah, this painful bad drawn button here where I'm clicking on should be the inventory button. And I already made it possible that the game kind of pauses after clicking on it. But still, unfortunately, I'm not be able to pause, get back to the game after clicking it. Maybe I should do something like while, but that sounds stupid. That sounds really stupid. Opened equals for, or opened equals false. If opened break opened equals to. Doesn't make sense why I should do that, but my instinct tells me I should try it. Yeah, okay. My instinct got the better of me. Now the game pauses. Perfect. It really works. Didn't expect that. So yeah. So when this works, let's try something else. Like pygame point draw or pygame rectangle point draw or rectangle in uppercase point. Okay, now I need to head back to the main function. Okay, like this. So what should be the background color of the rectangle? I guess gray. Inventory, draw rectangle, screen equals none, and main open inventory, screen equals screen. Again, let's check if it works. Yes, it does. So made everything right. Because now I need something like color equals, let's say white or something like 0, 0, 0, and it should be at position 300 and 300. Also should be like 400, 400. So now, okay, he won't draw it, unfortunately. So, because maybe I need to do something like screen point flip. No, not that. Not that. Maybe. Maybe I shouldn't say maybe that often. And hello to the one who joined, trying to do a roguelike. Oh, no, that was a little bit loud. I'm sorry. It was my cup of coffee I just dropped. And yeah, what is screen point? Oh, not screen point. Fill. Pygame point display point flip. Okay. Inventory. Again. Why doesn't he draw it? Okay, really quickly. Maybe I'm in the wrong loop. I guess that's it. Still in the wrong loop. Yes, because I need to flip it here. Like this. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I got an entire screen just for the inventory. Opened is so I can do, did I use it yet? Yeah, opened is so the while true loop will break. So I need a boolean called opened, which I set to false at the beginning, and then it will get true if the mouse button is clicked. Can also type something like open equals that. This is better. This is cheaper. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, so again, let's try it. But I still Instead of flip, can I do something else? Maybe the issue is that I kind of pause the game here. But is it that bad that the game is paused? I don't think this is even bad. I got an idea how I can do it better. I have a better idea. So where is open inventory? So open inventory. Let's say open inventory equals true. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I will. Oh no, I need the button here. Still needs a button, but I can simply copy that. Can I? No. Okay, I have to do it like this. I have to. Here I can do it before flipping the display. If event type. Event in pygame point event. Point event point get. Event point get. I hope this won't slow down the game that much. Doesn't do anything in this case. So where do I... here. The beginning, yeah. Sorry for the long, kind of being confused by myself. Okay, but this should be solvable. At least I got coffee. And hello to the one who joined me watching me coding. Yes, I should delete this program and delete this occasion of the program. And yeah, how can I solve this? Check for key input. Okay. If event, yes, event, totally best English. If event equals pygame point quit, running equals false. If, hello to the viewer who joined. If, okay, I will undo it. Here, so. Open inventory. Now inventory image. Basic functions, inventory image equals, let's reformat it. This looks pretty bad, so let's reformat the file and also need something like main inventory image. Need to draw it like here, inventory. Yeah, it was stuff in this section, so yeah, here we go. Perfect, this will be the inventory. Perfect. And let's say closed. I need to refactor it properly, like this is how you refactor properly. So closed, not Chloe, closed. Chloe is a cool name, by the way. Or is it? You know, after some time of coding, you're kind of losing your mind. So if that's the case, you shouldn't make a break. No, not in that case. If you go insane, you should continue coding, because then you're heading to Olympic gold, if you know what I mean. Okay. Okay, I'm saying okay quite often, simply because I'm thinking. And yeah, it's, by the way, I didn't mention it yet, but it's much harder to code and talk. Way much harder, believe me. But still, the live streams are really fun, so. Okay. Main, where's the main? Here. And I need this kind of code. Yeah, collide point. Pygame point. So let's try, does it work? Yeah, and it only works if we click again on the inventory. Now we got our inventory window. Perfect. Yeah, this is, by the way, the rainbow frame. And I even managed to kill one of the hardest enemy types. Okay. Oh, this is an ugly level. Ugliest color I encountered yet. Hopefully the next level looks more beautiful. Yeah, it's pink, but pink is okay. It's better than this ugly green we encountered lately. Okay, I shouldn't play my own game. I should instead develop my own game. So, oh, this is also a beautiful level. And the inventory still works. Perfect. Doesn't open me a new window, but it works as a, yeah. You know what I mean. Okay. So where was I again? Collide point, event point, pause. If closed breaks, that's everything is white. Now let's say something like, yeah, let's mix the color a little bit more and make it bigger. Or if we do it in, if we do it like this, yeah, that's better. It's kind of cold. I like the cold design. So let's make it bigger, like let's do 600, 600. And let's move it a little bit up. Yeah, so here we'll get the inventory. Now let's do a little label. Again, because I'm really bad at remembering stuff, I will get back to the main function. First I need a font. I hope I won't get copyrighted by Disney or the Lion King, because I kind of, yeah, did my own impression of the Lion King. Hello to the new viewers who joined, trying to do a little roguelike that looks like this. Oh, this is an ugly level. The levels are randomly generated, the enemies are randomly generated, and yeah, I now try to add items, which is not that easy. But first of all, yeah, now because it now gets into more complex territory, but I already implemented a button for the inventory, and I can, yeah, move into the inventory, so although you can't see anything, but the concept is standing. And yeah, the viewers already left. Anyways, should be a song. Anyways, could be a song. Okay, now I'm not here to sing the Lion King. Also, I love the Lion King. A screen display, screen clock, pygame, funny. Where do I funny? Funny, pygame font. Yes, inventory. Funny, pygame font, Arial 20. Now the label. Again, enemies, inventory, my label, name, inventory, name, label, funny point render, inventory, anti-analysis one. Okay. Screen point blitz. inventory name and destination is same as this one, 200 and 200. Let's try it. Okay. Font main. Basic functions random. Okay. Hello to the viewer who joined, trying to do a little rouglike game, and yeah, I'm totally stupid and... Oh, am I not? No, I didn't. I firstly thought I did a really bad mistakes, but now I realized I didn't do that, which kind of... Yeah, I can't say it makes me happy, it makes me... It kills the nerve, I can't pronounce it. It makes me less nervous, yeah. Let's say it like this. And I'm live, and being live is cool. Okay. Okay, now I realize my mistake, maybe. Funny, again, funny. This font. And inventory, pygame point, this font. Arial 20. Font not initialized. Okay, but I initialized it. I made everything right. What is his problem? I don't like that. But he gets print 1, print 2, he should print at least 1. Yeah, he prints 1. Yes, you can't see that. Yes, you should be able to see that. Yeah, kind of thought about, I can try to make this a little bit smaller that you can see the console a little bit more. And yeah, nothing new in the chat. Any suggestions, please write it down in the chat, like always. I can also do other stuff, like I don't have to do pygame all the day long, though I love doing pygame, so it's not my problem or but I guess you want to see something, yeah, else than pygame maybe all the day long. Okay. Rub my eyes. And funny. Not initialized. Where do I initialize pygame? Here. And where do I initialize funny? It's pretty late. But maybe it needs to be done inside the function like this. Yeah, this is not needed at the moment. Okay, so yeah. Maybe I have to declare that earlier. Yeah, perfect. Okay, that works as intended. Do the in the we'll do the position maybe at 202, so that it's not at the total center. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And now I should add, shall I add items now? Or maybe I should randomly spawn item. One item should be a, yeah, gold coin. Or should be a drink. Let's do a red drink. Like this. Cause, yeah. Sorry that you can't see anything now. I will show you soon. Oh, this even looks like a drink. Okay, I created a little drink as an image. Let me show you soon. Red potion. Because, yeah, first item I want to add is a potion. So let me just copy it. Red potion. Am I live? Yes, I am. Perfect. So yeah, the potion I created is in images. Red potion, PNG. Here it is. This is a red potion. And yeah, now I need main object, enemies, items. Python file item. And now let's do like enemy. Let's do class. Class equals item. And should be uppercase, I guess. Yeah, I guess convention is uppercase. Yes, it is. And the objects you create can be lowercase, but this should be uppercase. I'm getting hungry. Maybe, yeah, I will do a larger break in some minutes, but yeah. Oh, now I hurt myself. Okay. I wanted, so class item. Enemies. I have to create def init, def init. And what attribute should I have? X and Y. X and Y. And yeah, class potion or consumable. Def init consumable is an item, and is it? Enemies. Yeah. I'm so confused right now. And I'm hungry. Maybe I should eat something before getting back to coding. And hello to the one who joined. Trying to do a little roguelike game, already succeeded. Oh, this is messed up. Okay, another session. This is better. Yeah, this is how the roguelike looks. Maybe I should make a small version on the right side that anyone who can join can see this. And if I am testing stuff, I can get back to the original one. Yeah, that sounds like a plan in my opinion. Okay. Now I should maybe get something to eat. Not now. Okay, enemies. Waiting. Now it gets pretty hard. Maybe I should make a break regarding pygame. Maybe I should do some Numpy maybe, or some... I always wanted to do something regarding styles, because I wanted to, next tutorial I wanted to create is a style tutorial regarding, a style tutorial regarding Matplotlib. Not in real life style tutorial. I would not be able to do anything regarding that, because I don't know how I should do it, or what even styling means, or being stylish. Don't have any clue regarding that topic. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, should I do a little break? I am kind of getting kind of the need of a larger break. Yeah, I will do a break. Sorry for this, but I need to do a break. So doing something like, sorry, need to do dinner break, be back at 30. Let's say 30. And I will kind of, because it's a more interesting part, the game I will do make a little bit larger, or not that large, so you at least have something to see while I'm eating. And yeah, with that in mind, see you soon. Okay, I'm back. And yeah, let's head back to coding. And I'm now recording myself. Yes, let me delete this one. I mean this one. I mean this one. No. This one, yeah. Okay, I guess no one is watching. If you're watching, please write something in the chat because it tells me there's only one viewer. Anyway, so yeah. Let's do something. So let's item should be yeah, div pickup self point inventory. Now we need an object. Object is class inventory has dev init self point items equals and dev add item items point append self point items point append item. Okay, this is pretty simple. And now, where are the items? There are the items there. Sorry. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah, I'm trying to add an inventory and I totally kind of covered everything with my inventory, which is totally stupid, sorry. And yeah, if you have any recommendations what I could cover, I could also do Numpy, anything regarding Matplotlib, any data science, type it in the comments or in the chat and I will do it because yeah, I did a lot of today regarding pygame. Okay, pick up inventory point at self point x self point x size equals 20. Say something like x size and y size, and this is 20 and 20 by default. And yeah, equals x size and self point y size equals y size. Yeah. Okay, hello again to the next one who joined. Yeah, doing, as you can clearly see, doing some pygame. And yeah, feel free to join. And yeah, hope you can see anything, understand anything. If you have any questions, and hello to the next one who joined. If you have any questions regarding the code, feel free to ask, write it down in the chat. And yeah, if you have any suggestions, write them also down in the chat, or if you want me to do anything, code anything, show anything, yeah, write it down in the chat. The same goes to the other one who just joined, yeah. Okay, consumables, self inventory point at. Is it self? Yes. Okay. Consumable, which it uses inheritance from item. And yeah, self point size. Self point x size equals 0. Self point y size equals 0. Here we go. Okay. And goodbye to the one who joined. And yeah. What could I do next? I could hello to the one who now joined, doing some pygame. I could, yeah, if I run the code, it works. Do some rounds. The items didn't spawn yet. But yeah, leveling up is possible. And yeah. So now I totally don't understand why programming a game all by yourself is painful. But yeah, not that hard. Here we go. Yeah, the level, the amount of monsters and enemies increases totally with the level you gain. Okay, perfect. Again, I'm really satisfied with the output at the moment. And yeah, you couldn't see it because I didn't show you correctly, sorry. But at least now I'm getting some impressions regarding my live stream. So yeah, I should at least do 1 hour more. And hello again to the one who joined, doing some pygame. Yeah. So to the consumable. Def. Class item, pick up. Now we need, okay, here's the mistake. Self point. Don't know. Ah, image. No. Pass. Okay, this works. And we have class potion item. By the way, what I realized, you don't have to do a superclass in Python, even if it is kind of, yeah, totally necessary in, for example, Java, which also uses inheritance pretty often. In Python, it is not that kind of necessary. Okay, so potion is an item. Oh no, it's inheritance from consumable. And yeah, def init. Or let's say health potion. Health potion def init self point size equals small and name equals health potion And yeah, not that equal, common equal sign, not a double, because we are not having booleans. Total stupid from regarding myself, but yeah, mistakes were made. Okay. So self point size equals size. Self point name equals name. And then self point name equals consumable yeah. Okay. Still need to add the superclass just because it kind of looks messed up if I don't do this, so I definitely should do this. Yeah. Okay, what should be the next step? Next step should be image. And sorry, I dropped the pencil. Yes, image. Blob image. I will just do it like this. Yeah, and also need a rectangle item. From pygame, rectangle, import rectangle. Stuff like this. And enemies. It's kind of more similarities to enemies than thought. But yeah. Similarities are there. Potion image. Potion image equals image point load. Red potion. Find. No. Blob PNG. No. Red potion. Not with a minus, but an underlined potion point PNG. And now. Self point image equals potion image, and yeah, return rectangle def get rectangle equals no dove colon self return rectangle self point x, self point y, self point x size, self point y size, like this. I guess these are the more important functions. And yeah, the less important functions are should be also, yeah, they don't move, vanish. Okay. I got a cool idea. Item pick up if self point x size. And yeah, to save space, I only will use the x size, because the item is technically non-existent if there is no x size. So yeah. am I getting this sleepy yet? I don't know. Okay, X size. And super init. I'm just thinking about, is there anything else which is missing? Main. Let's now create some items. Enemy list, obstacles, collectible items equals from item from main objects point item import everything. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Hello, by the way, to the one who joined, trying to do some pygame. As you can see, let me show you before you leave. Let me show you. Here we go. Created this little small game, and yeah, you can move. There's this figure, which is pretty much just a stick figure now. But yeah, I can level up. I kind of roam through randomly generated dungeons. And I can even attend the next level. Oh, this is a rare one. This is a rainbow level. And yeah, there's much stuff I want to add, which isn't added yet. And by that, yeah, feel free to watch if you want. And yeah, but yeah, let's now close it. And I'm now creating collectible items. So it was health potion, X equals again, like obstacles, random int, and like this. Why does he have problems with the health potions? Oh, walk is, we don't have a walk anymore. Okay. For item in range, yeah, let's just create 20 items. Now let's draw them. By the way, if you have any questions regarding the game, just type it down or write it in the chat. Okay, where do I draw the enemies? Enemy, yeah. For item in item. Okay, where's my list? How did I name it? Enemy list. Collectible items. For item in collectible items. If item point X size, screen lit, item point image, and yeah, get destination. I need this one, like item point dev point get dev get dest, and this one return self point x and self point y. back to the main function, item point get destination. Now does this work? Oh, it works, perfect. Now we have these health potions. Of course there are too much health potions and they shouldn't spawn on obstacles, but at least they spawn, which is cool. Okay. So what is the next step? Next step should be that I shouldn't talk like I'm falling asleep maybe. Yeah, this should also be a reasonable step. But next step should be oh, and hello to the next one who joined. Yeah, I'm doing a little pygame, or doing some pygame. As you can see, it looks like this. Already creating enemies, and now I even created health potions. But yeah, there's nothing like picking them up. And again, at the moment I need to create the enemy list based on the obstacle. So basic functions, generate item list. Yes, so generate item list. I have generate enemy list, and I also need def generate item list. So now I need, also obstacle list equals none. What is size factor? Size factor equals level equals 1. Size factor equals 1. Okay, so now let's, instead of this thing, we need item list, which uses import items, import from main object put item, import everything, and yes, something like this. Okay, what could be the next step? Next step is so item list, and we use health potion and again X should be pretty similar. And this is important because here we have to refactor. Where can I refactor? Oh, I can't do it like this, so at least each enemy list is underlined red. So not that hard. For item in item list, item point X, item Y, Oh, I totally did it wrong. And I should delete this. Or should I do that? No, this is, I guess, enough. This is not needed because... Yeah, this is not needed. Let me try it if I need this function. Okay, to the next level, which is a rainbow level, so I should try to escape soon. Here we go, next level. Here we go. Perfect, so yeah. What, because they don't regularly spawn inside obstacles, which is cool. So, dashboard, no. Okay, so I also don't need this one, but this one. So Y pointer, and this one is also not needed. For item in item list, if now I can switch that. The function is, hopefully I named it getRectangle. Pick up getRectangle, perfect. Okay, main, inventory, basic functions. Turn item list. Okay. And by the way, thanks anyone who keeps watching. Kind of really appreciate this. Okay, where was I? Wanted to do something. What did I wanted? So I have my item list. So now if I go to main and I use collectible items, basic functions, point, generate item list. Where do I go? Generate enemy list. Yeah, obstacle list. Equals obstacle. Perfect. And what also is important is that where do we draw the items? Item. They should be drawn after the enemies, simply because it's better if the list object has no line model. For item in collectible items. So, and where is the I totally have a clue. Yeah. This also returns a list. Yeah. Oh, my eyes. They are hurting. But here we got a potion. Perfect. My poor little eyes. Kind of of messed them up. Okay. And hello to the viewer who joined. Hope you're doing fine. So, now comes the really hard part. Now we have to say, or did I already say player has an item? Okay, import inventory. Pygame rouglike point inventory point, yeah. And yeah, self point inventory equals pygame point potion. Where is it player related? Point inventory. Does it have any arguments? I guess not. No. Okay. And what can I do next? I could try something like, no, not pointer plus equals 2. Could do some. I try something. Let me try something out. Like, what could I try? What should I try? Hello to the one who joined. Doing a little roguelike pygame, which looks like this at the moment. Yeah, the rainbow frame is annoying, but it should vanish soon. 1 second. Yeah. By the way, each thing here is procedural generated. But yeah, picking up will not work at the moment, but it will work. This is what I'm working now. Or in a few seconds. And yeah. So, item list is created. Player has an inventory. So, basic functions. Level up. So now comes the question in mind, where can I implement, in which module do I implement if the item is picked up or not? Which model should be the happy one where I kind of implement it in? I got something like an idea. To say I got an idea is a little bit of an overstatement. So, where do I check if the enemies fight? Collide. Here. No collision enemy. Or do I have the fight function in here? Fight? Yeah, fight. So, if item point this is even simpler. For e item in enumerate item list. I have collectible items as the name again. Collectible items. Don't need a dir. If if pygame point poke and enemy point rectangle like this. Yeah, let's do it like this. And maybe okay. I'm just realizing I'm getting totally sleepy and I need to get up in less than 7 hours. So maybe that's it for today, I would say. Yeah. Let me make a big to-do here. Big to-do. So I know I will... Yeah. I will just make maybe 1 second. I will be back. If someone joins and I get more than 2 viewers, because the impressions I get regarding are really low now. Don't get any views regarding this live stream usually. Oh, there are. Okay, so I will go on. Hello to everyone who joined recently. I'm trying to do a little roguelike game. Hope you're doing fine. And yeah, 4 viewers. That's really, lately I didn't get that much. Okay, if pygame point collect rectangle, player 1 get rectangle, item get rectangle. Now player 1, right? Okay. If so, yeah, player 1 point inventory pick up. Player 1 point inventory point add item point pick up, which just means okay, this is not necessary anymore because it's already picked up. Item point pick up. And now it should vanish. And item point X size. So let's try it. Does it work? Here's an item, perfect. Argument in pickup. Yes, of course. Player 1, I could also just delete this argument because I don't need it. So let's just say item pick up and inventory argument should vanish. yeah. No. Oh, here's an item. Let me pick it up. Okay, this is... Why does it not work? Okay, here again we got an item. Should try to pick it up. Okay, it was picked up, perfect. No. Okay. So this is kind of cool. Yes, it is. Okay, now I will go brush my teeth because I will, yeah, go to bed soon. I will think about what to implement next. Maybe I will create a little roadmap, but yeah, we are getting at the finishing line. So I won't do much more today, but maybe tomorrow I will do another stream. I don't know, if not tomorrow, then the day after that. Yeah, let me just add a text. Right back, 3 minutes. Okay. See you. Okay, I guess I will finish it for now. And yeah, still I'm back, but yeah. Stream is kind of dead today, just got 18 views and only 200 impressions, which is pretty low for a 2-hour stream. I get much more impressions usually. But anyway, don't wanna complain that much. Maybe another stream will get better. But I'm pretty satisfied with watch time, and yeah, I had a lot of people who stayed with me, and thank you for everyone who watched it that long. Because yeah, 18 views and still having an above average view time compared to the last streams is pretty cool. So again, thank you everyone who joined, and hopefully see you in the next stream. But today I have to close it because I'm really tired and sleepy, and still also I can do home office tomorrow. I need to get up at around 8:50. So yeah, see you then. Bye bye. Have a great night, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye with the end button.